How to get $100 Taco Del Mar promo codes. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now type in Taco Del Mar promo codes and search for it. With that, tons of website options will appear. You can just scroll down and go through any of the website. For instance, I will be opening this one website. Once you open it, you're gonna find tons of great offers and deals. Just scroll down and you can check. Taco Del Mar is a fresh, fast and fun alternative to traditional Mexican food. Taco Del Mar features large hand-rolled burritos and fish tacos made to order, all with the freshest and healthiest ingredients. Now to get offer on those items, you can use these promo codes and offers. If you are interested in any of the offer or deal, click on this option of reveal code. Make sure you check the expiration date of the coupon code. Now you can copy it. Now you can head towards the website of Taco Del Mar and then log into your account, and while you check out, apply this coupon code and get the discount. You can also go ahead and check out other website options. Just open the website and head towards the coupon code that you are interested in. Click on Get Code, check the expiration date and copy the code, and whenever you check out, use it. So this is how you can get up to $100 Taco Del Mar promo codes. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.